The renovation of this 1969 chapel demonstrates how Terrazzo can play a decisive role in reframing architecture for its intended purpose. Originally a stark concrete example of Brutalist design, the space has been reordered into a Roman Catholic worship environment that is liturgically responsive, ceremonial, and grounded in tradition. Judges cited the project's cohesion and the exceptional craftsmanship evident in the steps, radius work, and complex transitions. Terrazzo was used as an organizing device, softening the tension between the geometry of the space and traditional worship forms. A disciplined layout imposes clarity and symmetry on the chapel's curved architecture, reflecting the ordered rhythm of liturgy and reinforcing the transcendence of the space. Epoxy terrazzo in 8 well-chosen colors includes an integrated ramp, precast treads and risers, and is complemented by 2 color radius steps with poured-in-place treads. Brass inlays include a tau cross at the entry, referencing St. Francis' call to continual conversion, and 2 crosses at the sanctuary. A 2-inch accent band reinforces the perimeter and extends into stair nosings, while a dimensional terrazzo rosette at the baptismal font defines the main processional aisle. This award recognizes an impressive installation in Christ the King Chapel at Franciscan University in Steubenville, Ohio, by Roman Mosaic and Tile Company of Ephrata, Pennsylvania.